Welcome to our tutorial of Contact Center of 3iMedia. In this video we like to demonstrate how quickly and easily you can install the solution and get it ready for the first use. To do so, start the previously downloaded MSI package directly on the Swix server. The link can be obtained by registering on our website www.3imedia.de, or can be found in the description of this video. The setup wizard will guide you through the steps necessary. During the installation you will be asked for the password of the Swixware service account. The user account is already filled out. Please enter the password and proceed with the installation. After completing the installation, you can access the Start page of the Contact Center via the corresponding entry in the Start menu. Check if Warnings tab doesn't show any messages. The setup is now complete and you can start creating the first queue. One more thing. If you have used an automatically generated password when installing Swixware, you must first restart the Swixware configuration wizard, and use a known user including the password. If you're interested in further information, please visit our website 3imedia.de, or contact us by email at sales@3imedia.de. Thanks for watching.